welcome back to the channel. I'm the gym starter, Adam Murray, and I'm here to talk you through how to do a push-up. So let me show you the push-up first off. I'm nice and long, hopefully I'll fit in camera. We're going to come here. That's what the push-up looks like. Now, before I continue, there's a few things I want to discuss with you about the push-up. It took me 15 years to be able to do one singular push-up. And since then, it's been a lot of hard work on my chest, on my shoulders, on my confidence in order to be able to do one. I've written an article about it. That's available on my website. It's a really interesting read about the psychology behind failure more than anything else. And so, I know how hard a push-up is. A push-up isn't an easy exercise to do. And we see lots and lots and lots of people hammering them out, and it kind of gives us the thought that we should all be able to do it. But we can't, and that's okay. They take a lot of work, and elsewhere in the channel, I show you how to progress and regress the push-up by using inclines, by using declines, by using your knees. There's lots of different ways you can make a push-up achievable and also help you work towards being able to do a full body push-up. This video is just about the full body push-up. If you want the incline or the decline, then look elsewhere in the channel because those videos are available for you. Now that's over and done with, let me talk you through how to do the push-up. One of the most important things in this exercise, in my opinion, is the angle of the arm. I see a lot of people, when they're doing the push-up, they're getting their arms right out at right angles like so. I call this the PE push-up. It's what my PE teacher, Mr. Canavan, taught me. And you're out nice and wide like that, and you can feel it all in the shoulder, very much in your triceps, and a little bit in the biceps, and it just feels weak and uncomfortable and not great. Now the reason I dislike this style of push-up is one, it compromises the rotator cuffs in the shoulders a little too much, but two, it's a lot harder to develop because you're not hitting your big muscles. A push exercise, we would like to use explosive force to push away using our chest. Similar to a bench press, similar to an incline bench press, or even a shoulder press. Anything that's a pushing exercise, we're wanting to use the bigger muscles that we can activate. And in the push-up, that's very much our pectoral muscles here. And that's what we're going to try and do. So in order to activate our pectoral muscles, we need to get our arms coming down at an angle like so. Let me show you my back. So you're going to be here for the push-up, and I want your elbows to come down like so. And your hands end up by your nipples. By doing that, you're going to experience a much bigger push here in the chest. And then we're going to be able to start getting up to the weight you need in able to do it in order to do a full body push-up. It also requires a lot of core strength, a lot of gluteal strength, and a lot of mental strength. So, how you'd line up to begin with the push-up is you would start with your hands underneath your shoulders, and then your head would be forward, similar to sort of where your fingers would finish. Like so. Then as you lower yourself, you're not going out in the elbows. I want you to think more forwards and down in the body. Like so. And then you'll see my arms are at that angle. I've got an upward angle of my arms. They're coming down at 45 degrees to my chest. And then we come up there. Like so. Another little trick I like to use with the push-up is I like to squeeze my legs together as much as I can so that I'm more like a plank of wood. And then the less movement I have in my lower body, the more efficient the energy I'm using in my upper body in order to make the movement happen. So remember, let's get those arms at this angle here as we do the push-up. Anywhere around here is good. Anything wider than that is less optimal. I hope that answers any questions you have about the push-up. If you need any extra advice on that, then please drop a comment below and I'd love to answer them. Right, that's it from me. Peace, love and protein, high fives and positive vibes. Bye.